Good morning students, welcome to Kalabharat Academy. இன்றைக்கு நம்முடைய டிஸ்கஷன் டபுள் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன். ஆக்சுவலாக ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷனுங்கிறது ஒரு மேல் கேமேட் ஒரு ஃபீமேல் கேமேட் கம்பைன் ஆச்சுன்னா தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன். பட் இன் ஆஞ்சியோஸ்பர்ம்ஸ் டபுள் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் ஹேப்பன்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் தட்? அதை நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, திஸ் pollen tube releases two male gametes into cytoplasm of the synergid, that is into the ovary through micropyle by the direction of the piliform apparatus. Okay, the one of the male gamete fuses with the egg. This is called syngamy. This is called syngamy, and this forms a diploid cell that is called zygote. That another male gamete fuses with two polar nuclei in the central cell and forms the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. So here you see there are two polar nuclei in the central cell, and here and one egg cell and two synergids. Okay, when the pollen tube enters, it releases two male gametes. One male gamete combines with the egg cell and forms the zygote, and this becomes a diploid. Another gamete, male gamete, goes to the central cell where there are two polar nuclei. These two are haploid in number. Okay, so here by combination of this another male gamete here, it becomes triploid in nature. This is called primary endonucleus. So this fertilization is called double fertilization. Here fusion of three haploid nuclei, that is one from the egg cell and two from the central polar cells. This is called triple fusion. So two types of fusions are there. One is syngamy. The syngamy is egg cell and male gamete combination forming a zygote is called syngamy, and triple fusion in embryo sac. This phenomenon, so double is there is a double fertilization. Okay, this is unique to the flowering plants. The central cell after triple fusion, that is two haploid cells of central nuclei and one gamete cell, male gamete. This primary endosperm cell is formed from the triple nuclei and it develops as endosperm, whereas the zygote develops into an embryo. So again we will see this is the pollen grain, there is a vegetative cell and generative cell. When pollen tube develops, this generative cell gives two male gametes. Okay, out of these two male gametes, one combines with the egg cell, that is called syngamy. Another gamete combines with the central cell polar nuclei. So it becomes, here is a triple fusion, two haploid cells of the central cell and one haploid cell of the gamete. Okay, then here is the zygote. This develops into endosperm cell, which has and gives food supply, food reserve to the embryo. Okay, this is called double fertilization and triple fusion. Thank you students, we will meet again in the next discussion. Thank you.